Hello everyone, welcome to Fixyypedia, where we try to troubleshoot your problems, we try to give you solutions, and we try live session troubleshooting your problems, where we try to read your comments and give you solutions. Most of the people who watch our videos, who watches our videos and comments their problems, they get their solutions. So if you are watching this video, and then let me know why you are, if you're getting any problems or if you're having any problem. So what we have here, Discord can hear my mic, but everyone says I sound like a robot. Windows mic test sounds normal though. So that's actually a useful clue, because if the Windows recording sounds like normal, the microphone itself probably isn't the first thing to blame. In Discord, check your input device and make sure it isn't switching between different microphones. Then look at the voice processing settings and temporarily disable things like automatic input sensitivity. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is also check your connection while you are taking a robotic or metallic voice can be happen by using your Wi-Fi. Test Discord while connecting through Ethernet or another network, and let us know if this investigation and this solutions solve your problem. Thanks for watching Fixyypedia.